25-year-old Abhishek worked as a delivery person with Zepto in Hyderabad. He was crushed to death by a bus while riding his two-wheeler in Mehdipatnam area and died on the spot. Following his death, the Gig Workers Union has demanded justice for his family from delivery platforms. Police have registered a case and detained the bus driver. Protests have emerged after the accident by gig workers demanding better working conditions. This video, in fact, showcases how the person tries to, in fact, overtake and loses balance, and that's when Abhishek comes under the wheels of a bus. The shocking accident that has been captured on camera. This is the kind of dangers that gig workers undergo every day when it comes to the situation where they have to ensure that they deliver within the stipulated time. This accident is one of those that have been caught on camera where we can see the person losing balance and then being run over by the bus. To discuss more on this, Mohammad Inayat Ali, National Vice President of the Indian Federation of App-Based Transport Workers, is in fact joining us. Mohammad Inayat Ali, a shocking incident has come to light where you have another gig worker, in fact, being subjected to the harsh realities of trying to ensure that he delivers a particular good at a limited time and then meeting with an accident. Still, the demands are not yet met. The gig workers' demands for basic time frame of a safety delivery is still not met.
Thank you, sir. Actually, this is a very sad news for our community, the delivery workers community. This has only happened from this company, which has been pressured, mentally pressured and physically stressed by these companies because of this 10 minutes delivery. And I ask one question to these companies. They can give an insurance to the Abhishek family, but they cannot give Abhishek return to his mother. That's what we are fighting to stop this 10 minutes delivery throughout India because worker is not safe and worker is suffering a lot of mentally stress.
Mohammad Inayat
Because
Ali,
of
one more thing that I would like to ask is that recently there was these
the
protests that
RJ.
you had carried. I mean, a lot of these unions had come together asking for that protest. One of the key demands was this, that there should be a safe time of delivery. What is the time that you are looking at when you talk about a safe time for delivery?
Uh, we are not asking any safe time. We are telling that give it's depend upon the traffic and the roads. This is the issue. So what the IFAT is telling, the what convenient time the worker has to be reached to the delivery spot, he will. But please not to put an in 10 minutes delivery ये वाला जो चक्कर करके जो डिलीवरी वर्कर्स को जो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, जो भाग दौड़ में जो जो वर्कर्स मर रहे हैं, इसके लिए हम चाहते हैं कि ये 10 मिनट डिलीवरी वाला जो ये है उसको हटा दिया जाए.
Even proposing a kind of a time frame. You think the time frame is the problem then?
Yes, time frame is very issue for the worker.
But what would you, according to you, I mean, you have been part of this federation. So, what do you think should be the time frame?
Sir, what I am telling, it's depend upon the kilometer and the traffic route. What the worker will commit, the worker will get that booking. Then how it is the road and how it is the traffic.
At all. Now, do you think that since you've already raised the protest,
Convenient.
how has how has
It's
huh? No, I'm saying how has the response been from the app platforms? Have they tried to, in fact, reduce the the time frame for delivery? Have they responded to the request?
no, you have seen already the Zomato. He is one of the what I am telling. The Zomato CEO Dipender Goyal has quoted that we are not forcing the worker to this one in this app, but the thing they are forcing, they are डूइंग, ये वर्कर्स को क्या करते हैं कि अगर वर्कर अगर 10 मिनट्स में डिलीवरी नहीं करता, इन पे इतना प्रेशर होता है कि वर्कर अगर ब्राउन्स, उसमें उसमें भी कैटेगरी होता है, गोल्ड वर्कर, गोल्ड पार्टनर, सिल्वर पार्टनर, ब्राउन्स पार्टनर, वो ऐसे गोल्ड से आपको ब्राउन्स पे आ जाता है, फिर वहां से क्या होता है कि उसका अर्निंग्स खत्म हो जाता है। वो अर्निंग्स को बचाने के लिए ये 10 मिनट्स डिलीवर में आज अभिषेक की जान गई है।
So, what you're saying is that when we look at the ranking system that has been put in place, very interesting you're saying. So, the app in fact does not, you are voluntarily joining the app. At the same time, they have a ranking system, and that ranking system is what is creating the pressure to ensure that you take up the 10-minute delivery. This is how it is working, isn't it? Am I getting it right?
Yes, we are voluntary, we are joining this app to, yeah, to work, बिकॉज दे, ये लोग जो है बड़े बड़े ऑफर्स देते हैं कि आप एक दिन में 2,000 कमा सकते हैं, महीने का 60,000, 1 लाख रुपए तक का कमा सकते हैं। ये चीज देंगे तो ऑब्वियसली जो यंग वर्कर्स है वो तो जाएंगे, वो जाके इसमें ये करेंगे। जब अंदर जाएंगे तो इन पे ऐसा प्रेशर कर दिया जाता है, कभी रेटिंग से, कभी टाइम पे रीच नहीं होंगे। वहां पे क्लियरली इनके ऐप में लिखा होता है कि अगर आप डिलीवरी टाइम पे नहीं करते हैं तो आपका जो कैटेगरी सिल्वर से ब्राउन्स में आ जाता है, गोल्ड से सिल्वर में आ जाता है।
Acha. So now you're talking how to get rid of this ranking system, is because that is how it creates pressure. Now, is it possible for the gig workers, because as it said, it's a voluntary app, you are voluntarily joining it. So is it possible, like the competition is of course there in the market so much that collectively is there a problem for the gig workers to put it across these app platforms? Because if one person drops out, even if one person goes on protest, there is already someone who requires that money, requires the job opportunities, enroll. So the rules still in the app remains the same, nobody is going to change it.
यही तो ये कंपनी वाले करते हैं, मैनोपोली करते हैं वर्कर्स के बीच में। कैसे सम पीआरस को चला के, पीआर के थ्रू सम पेड वर्कर्स को रख के ये वर्कर्स का ही नाम बदनाम करते हैं कि देखो हमारे साथ वर्कर कर रहे हैं, काम कर रहे हैं। मगर प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि जितने लड़कों की, जितने वर्कर्स की अभी जो लाइफ के साथ ये खेल रहे हैं, इनको ये सोचना चाहिए कि यही वर्कर के तरफ से इनकी कंपनी चल रही है।
All right. So, what is the one big lesson that you want to in fact take from this particular accidents that have been happening? Of course, there have been questions of a greater insurance money that should be given to the gig workers. There are demands like that has been happening. There should be some kind of a proper contract rather than, you know, apply on the app and just agree to the legal terms that are there. There should be a proper contract that should be signed, you know, so that it comes under some kind of a labor code. Do you think there should be separate labor code or a separate law governing the entire gig worker community, especially when their employment?
सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को इसमें इन्वॉल्व होके कंपनीज को सारे बुला के इसके लिए कानून बनाना पड़ेगा। सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट इसमें आगे आना पड़ेगा। जैसे कि कर्नाटका स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अभी गिग वर्कर्स के लिए कानून बनाई, वी वेलकम टू दैट लॉ। ऐसे ही तेलंगाना में भी होना चाहिए और सारे इंडिया में गिग वर्कर्स के लिए ये कानून जल्द से जल्द होना चाहिए ताकि इनको ये सिक्योरिटी मिले।
ऑलराइट, थैंक यू।
यही स्ट्राइक जो है, हम अनसेफ डिलीवरी इसी को कहते हैं। हम ये जो दीपेंद्र गोयल आके अपने सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म से तो बहुत बोल के चले गए, ट्विटर पे सब पे। आज मैं दीपेंद्र गोयल से ये सवाल करता हूं कि आप अभिषेक की माँ को उसका अभिषेक लौटा सकते हैं?